Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser and welcome to our workshop. Today I am excited to show you the upgraded bolt series designed to help makers, educators and small businesses create faster, cleaner and more efficiently than before. Let's dive in and explore these exciting upgrades together. So, what's new? After 2 years of customer feedback and testing, thunderlaser has streamlined the bolt series to make it simpler and more powerful. We've consolidated 4 models into 3. The upgraded bolt, the Bolt Plus, is upgraded to the Bolt Plus 24, and the Bolt Pro 2232 has evolved into the powerful Bolt Pro 36. This makes it easier for you to choose the right machine with a wide range of capabilities. And that brings us to the first big upgrade, speed. The bolt now engraves at 1500 mm per second, while the Bolt Plus 24 and Pro 36 reach up to 2000 mm per second. This means faster jobs and more productivity without sacrificing the quality. To really see the difference, here is a live engraving comparison. We are engraving the same sample on 2 machines. The old Bolt Plus at 1500 mm per second and the new Bolt Plus 24 at 2000 mm per second. And speed is just the beginning. Let's dive in the power upgrade. The bolt starts at 30 watt and can be upgraded to 60 watt. But the Bolt Plus 24 offers a whopping 60 watt as standard. And the Bolt Pro 36 goes up to 80 watt for serious cutting power. Watch this test. The older Bolt Plus at 30 watt struggles to cut through wood, while the new Bolt Plus 24 with 60 watt slices through cleanly and easily. More power means more possibilities. But that's not all. We've also given you more space to work with. We also focused on making the bolt series easier to use every day. The Bolt Plus 24 features a bed that's about 60% larger than the Bolt Plus, with a greater Z-height for bigger and taller projects. And with the Bolt Pro 36, you get an even larger 915 by 610 mm work area, perfect for handling big projects and larger pieces with ease. Of course, size and power are important, but we didn't stop there. Now, all Bolt series models feature dual air assist system for cleaner cuts and reduced debris. The Rotary tray allows for larger items to be machined, and the conical tip accessory is included for specialized tasks to enhance precision. Now that we've covered the upgrades, let's find the right bolt for you. The bolt is compact, fast and versatile, perfect for hobbyists, schools and light projects. The Bolt Plus 24 offers more power and space, making it great fit for makers and small businesses. And the Bolt Pro 36 is larger and most powerful in the lineup, built for production level work and demanding materials. No matter who you are, there is a bolt designed to fit your needs. So that's a quick look at the upgraded bolt series. If you're looking for speed, power and ease of use in your project, then this is the laser for you. Don't just take my word for it. Head to our website to learn more and download the brochure and try it out yourself. Thanks for watching and see you soon, guys.